So what's up everyone? My name is Clyde and today we're going to explore some abandoned house in Camp 7, Minglanilla. Here's the abandoned house. I will be going to that. So I came from there, above from there. That's the road right there. You can see a lot of motorcycles and stuff. So let's try to traverse this undisclosed path and try to get closer to that. Hopefully there are no snakes in here because apparently there are a lot of snakes in here. The house is so eerie. Only the birds I hear. Very lush floras in here and some unidentified plants. Hopefully there's no poison ivy like plants in here and it couldn't cause some landslide because I'm big. Holy crap. Oh, there's a is this safe? Yes, this is safe. Look at this. Oh, shoot. Fuck. There's a lot of black invasive ants trying to bite my ankles. Alright, so this is the house. The house looks nice. Look at its interior. It has a good structural sound. And there's no people in here. I'm alone right now and I'm afraid to go inside. Maybe some squatter is currently living in there and I don't want to get stabbed in the neck and die alone. So maybe next time. Let's just have one last look before we skedaddle out here. It's so eerie and quiet. Not scary, just eerie. I really want to go around, but I'm the only one here. So, yeah. Maybe next time. Maybe next time. Okay. Doon siya balay.
Ano mo paninilag attraction, sorry. Dito, okay. Ito yung maari.
Oh,
So, like, okay ba ni?
horror house.
Dito, matuunan ka. Like, okay yung mga rin. Basta, like,
Tabi. Tabi. Ayo. Tabi. Tabi. Ang yan na to. Pili abang dari boss.
pero di boss man, ako. Uy, bossin.
Ay shit, no, never mind. Dako kayo ko ano?
Ala.
Dili. Hive sa kuan mga sa tawagan ni?
Ay, kanang kuan.
Mga oh, kato. Mo lagi to. Ay. Roundabout ta.
Anay.
Dili sad. Ayo.
Kanang mainom gani.
Si mainom.
Di ko buwan sa DJ. So, tukan anay ito. Pagbalay na. Asin sa. Pwede ko man siya ingani unta pagbagyo ni kuan lang. Balaya ting. Gusto ni bitin sama mga anay na kuan. Muli usog na mga balik.
Ay nanuktok. Ay tuk 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 diha. Ay, tao.
Palita pag i-play niya.
Asik patakag tunog na jeli.
Ay, abangan na.
Oh, mura ginana. Kinsa may mga abong lalom kay nga gianan. Lagi? Hindi ti kinay tagsa-tagsa hagdanan ba? Pisti na iro. Yawa. Na iro. Iro, kataw. Ay, sorry. Hadlok siya. Ay, sugangan sa luyo. Magluto ka na. May abuhan. So, mo tayo sulod sa abandoned haunted house kunuhay. Lamay kay sudlon o gabi ngit-ngit kaayo. Doon sa mani.
Ano sa baboy? Kaya sa mga kanang, uy, gani. Sa bukid, di ba, magutang sila dito.
Anong murag ka ng protection?
Sa
Bah, ka-cute.
silang, uy, kagiun kong bukog. Hi!
Balik. Way sud. Ay, biskot abi ko. Nayawag na ko. So, maoro to siya. Marsag 3-way apartment. May hagdanan dari pa dong ubos. Pero wala ikon mo asa pa dong. Wala na ko ni sud sa first apartment kay naida kong hive sa Lampinig. Sud magukdan tag Lampinig dari. The area around me is so lush. It's nice, but and the soil is very soft. Saan eh? Nay ko ano? Puso saging? Ah, may puso saging oh. Napagid. Tulo ka buok.
Kawayan eh.
Nakuri sa pa nga ra sa akin na may kawayan.
Ay, kingano, if nari kawayan, ay sapa.
Oh,
Depende.
motobo ra man ang kawayan sa mga basa nga kuan. Himo tay luthang na. So that concludes our short investigation. Hindi kagika na Jerly. Ay, dapat apel mo gino. Mga paon na ako. Wala, kanindot. Ani? Kita og mga utot-utot. So yeah, that concludes my short while investigation of this abandoned house. So let's just say our last goodbyes. Say our last goodbyes to this, because I will never be going back. I will never going back in here. It's just creepy, fucking creepy. I like it, but it's fucking creepy. So that concludes the investigation, and see you tomorrow.